Alright you guys, we got another fun vlog coming in at you. We are at Area 15, the Meow Wolf Museum in Las Vegas. You ready, Parker?
Yeah.
It's gonna be sick. I cannot wait to check out Omega Mart and all the other crazy stuff that they have here.
Wait a second. Area 15. If you take the 15, swap it, you get 51.
No
51.
way! I can't believe that.
Wow.
Dude, that's sick. That dragon's awesome. Okay, all these sculptures are super dope. El Scorcho. Yeah. Rest in peace. It's from Iron Giant. Well, look at all the symbols on it.
Wait, please subscribe.
Yeah, oh yeah. Wait, if we translate this on the screen now, I think it says, like the video and subscribe to the channel, you guys. Thanks. Oh, and this one says, thank you guys so much for 10,000 subscribers. We just hit that today. That's crazy. What a coincidence, dude. That's insane. Oh wait, what do we have here? We're not even in the actual museum yet and things are cool. Yeah, we got a mirror world. Whoa. Oh, whoa, this is cool. We're in the mirror dimension. Yeah, see, I always close the door. Yeah, it looks like it wraps around. Oh, cool. Nice. Yeah, that's a different vibe. All the arms.
Okay, I'm sweating.
Alright, yep, same. This is the entryway. Check this out. Whoa, that skull face thing is so cool. Whoa, super trippy.
Alright,
Oh
should
my god,
we go?
there's a zip line up here. We gotta do that.
Should we
Food.
get some food and then we'll go?
Let's do food. Omega Mart. Bow, 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 bow. Oh, when I switch between my cameras, it makes the mega flash. Whoa, check out this tree. That's so pretty. We're eating at the Beast. You think they got Beast Burgers here? Mr. Beast Beast Burgers?
This is his restaurant.
Yo, please do not touch the big ass cookies.
Oh, nice.
Check out this chandelier. This is sick. All these pipes. You guys, Kraken Burger. 5 beef patties, 5 slices of cheese, lettuce, tomato, yeah, whatever. But it has a mini octo dog on top of it. So I guess that's a hot dog, but it's like 8 hot dogs on top.
It's like so.
Or it's like split.
It's like a little split hot dog on the inside.
Okay, cool. Bruh, look what Noah got. Full rack of ribs.
I got pizza.
Marty got pizza. Chris got that barbecue sampler. And Amy got some Logan fries. Alright, you guys, we finished up lunch. It was really yummy. Now we're heading to Omega Mart.
Omega Mart, Omega Mart, Omega Mart, Omega Mart, Omega Mart.
Whale song, calling for peace. Anti-perspirant. Yeah, it is. It's all Obvious Plant products.
Obvious Plant grocery store.
Yeah, Obvious Plant IRL. In a hurry, cheddar bunker, cheese puffs, 5 brutal payments, mammal liquid, yum. So look at how long the carton is. Daikon pals, take them, flavor not included. Yeah. Sweet whispers, soft deluxe quiet. Digi time, I don't know, bro. Zalg juice, America's forgotten vegetable. With 3% more Zalg. Vape juice flavored root beer. Over it? Done. Let's stop now. Okay, we've made it in. Oh, I want one. Ridiculous.
This is actually real.
Inflatable swan thing. Pigeon sop. Look at all this sop. Oh, look at the thing up here. The camel. Oh, what's happening? What? Meat sculpture. Ooh, I like this one.
We need to find the Zalg.
It looks like the thing from Stranger Things.
It does, yeah. The mind flayer.
Yeah.
Oh, those. Screw, coin, stapler, key, battery, and sauce packet. I'm all out of done. I need some more of that.
Done.
Check out the beautification. This is epic. Whoa. I'm so pretty.
300 likes.
300 likes. my toast is 300 likes. Oh, I like this one. 404 Beauty. Lather hair. Okay.
It says don't forget the Zalg.
Where's the Zalg? Don't forget the Zalg.
You gotta find it.
Don't forget it. Okay, let's go find the Zalg. We are on a mission for Zalg. I love this. The glitch. That's so cool. The last drop of pulp has been spilled. Or screws. Silt. Same earthy taste. Yum. Orange awakening.
Essentially squeezed orange.
Aggressively squeezed and
self-defense.
In self-defense. Drink culture. Vitamins A and Dram. Megaman's multi. Whoa. Okay, we gotta find Zalg. We need the produce section. Oh, or we could go back there. Okay, not yet.
Pardon our dust.
Pardon our dust. Oopsies.
Whoa. What's going on? What the heck? Definitely no.
Oh my god, look at the apples. They're so happy looking.
That's a pear. That doesn't know.
That's a pear. Yeah. Also, their smiles are so cute. We found our friends. Please, no
Daikon
chewing.
pals.
Daikon pals. Oh, okay. It's time. We still have yet to find any Zalg, but let's check this area out.
What the?
Yeah, a whole new world.
Whoa! Oh, it's huge in here. Oh my god. This is so sick. Wait, are we going back? But we just got here.
It's fine.
Okay, we'll explore in a little bit. Okay, we have to locate Zalg. So hard doing everything without one hand. Okay, where's Zalg? 404 cleaner. Oh, they're cleaning the sink in Microsoft Paint. Think about less garbage. Natural intentions.
I actually sprayed that.
You got me with it. It smells good. Whoa. This man is falling. That's intense.
It's good for metal polish, squirrel deterrent. It's great on wings and it kills ants.
Wait, what is it?
Alright. We gotta find the Zalg though. What is this? Wait, where?
Our original family recipe.
What about Bianca? What about her?
Our secret sauce, tangy regret.
I think I know where it's at.
What happened to Bianca?
Whoa, I don't know.
That's something behind it. We're harvesting meat.
Whoa.
Harvesting tree.
Meat tree.
This is cute.
This is so vibes.
Okay.
Avocado flavored French
Hey guys, I
fries.
think I found
Omega soda. Oh, go. Let's go. I like how all the bottles are like getting longer and wigglier. Later, yo. I went to the event Horizon and all I got was this crappy sticker. Whoa.
Oh, no, it looks like you're falling, but look up. It's the exact.
Oh, it looks like there's a slide right there. That yellow thing. Whoa, look at all this over here, you guys. Dude, there's slides. Slides. I found slides. Big slides. Really epic slides. Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh, dang. Oh, okay.
Call me out.
Wham! Wormhole actualization machine.
Yeah, you want to turn,
Engage.
Look at that. Abort.
Whoa. Look at the wormhole. There's so many things.
So much. But so little time.
Sag about the slide. Whoa! It's so pretty in here. Secret tunnel. Whoa. Whoa. So cool. This room is cool. The music is so good. Oh! This is so cool. What you got, you guys? Beam factory training system. Engage. Engage. Oh. Oh, cool. We can make music. Oh. Whoa. Oh, that sounds cool. DJ Parker. Whoa. So cool. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, there's a little secret tunnel right there. Whoa. Okay. This is crazy. Oh no, my phone's gonna die. My phone's only on 10%. Antiperspirant and antidepressant. Giving a quick flash warning for my photosensitive viewers, this next room has a lot of flashing. So if you're photosensitive, skip ahead 30 seconds. Or if you want to look away and just listen to still be part of the experience, I will give another audio cue when it's safe for you to resume watching. Here we go. Okay, this room is so cool. Every time there's a flash, it takes a picture and projects it on the wall after. Look, look, there we are. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, oh, oh. Yo, this is crazy. Whoa! Oh my god! If you looked away earlier, it is now safe to resume watching. The flashing is done. Thank you guys for sticking with me. I really like that one. Woo, this is cool. This is so weird. The back rooms. Green. Green. What's happening? Whoa. Okay. Hi. Oh, it's the break room for Omega Mart. Uh-oh, someone spilled their drink. Please boop to access. Boop. Boop, boop. Boop. Trying to boop. Pretty darn neato. Bring 'em sports. Power explosion. Punch to open. Sports chant, sports chant, sports chant. You miss 110% of the one games at a time that these field generals at the end of the day. Game of inches in the locker room. Legend wanted it more to thank God. It's been a tale of a game of inches. It is, and have the utmost respect for we beat ourselves. Gerbil. Got monkeys. Gender fluid. Yes, we found it. Yes. Christ shock. Yes. Oh my God. Zalg. We found Zalg juice drink. Yes. Wow. Wow is right. We got the Zalg. Zalg juice drink.
Oh wait, the Vic juice Zalg here. Yeah, we got Diet Zalg. Here. We got Diet Zalg.
It's Zalg Cola. I'm more of a Zalg juice drink myself.
Hammer
Doomed
soda.
Expedition.
Hammer soda.
Pink.
Dr. Supervisor.
Pink hammer soda.
Dr.
Broda. Diet dude. Masculinity intact. Masculinity not shattered. Dream of mushroom soft. Okay, we've literally been here this whole time and we just learned that we can actually shop. Like we can anything we can take off the shelves we can buy. We're going for the Zalg. We need that Zalg. Wake up. This perfect life is fake. Concentrate. No, seriously, concentrate. And then we've got Romanesco evolving. Oh, so it has 3 functions. It changes odors, surface level cleaning, and wets any surface. I'm actually getting the 404 cleaner. Add that in there. No, let's get a Daikon Pal. Daikon Pal.
A Daikon Pal.
Yes,
or
Daikon
2.
Pal.
Or 3.
Or 3.
Or 4.
Or all of them. Spring into action and grab a Daikon Pal today before your luck runs out. Snacks, candy. Wow. Boneless. Nutrient-rich pellets for a Homo sapiens. Let's snatch a Gerbil as well. There we go.
We gotta get gender fluid.
Oh my God, yes, we have to get gender fluid. Gender fluid. Remember how earlier I said my phone's on 10%? Yep, that was it dying. So I'm ending the video here, but my next video will be showcasing all the things that I bought from Omega Mart, trying them, and rating them. And well, I may have gone a little overboard, but you already know we got that Zalg. So if that video is uploaded, click the link on the end screen now, and I'll see you there. Bye!